the way to manifest the peace that we so much desire in the planet, it starts from within. And the more we take back what is ours, the less entangled we are with our thoughts, with our emotions, with other people. The more we take responsibility of our creation, the more present we will be, the more actualized self-consciousness will occur, and the more we can love one another. And of course, love ourselves. Because that's where peace begins, within. That's where self-love begins. So please, in our website, there's a special area where you can post your amends to whomever you desire, regardless of what it is. That posting of yours arrives to a certain email that we have prepared, where we receive all your letters or emails, and we set prayer in motion. We just pray and send just the most brilliant and positive energy for everyone in the planet to make amends, to take back what is theirs. Not with the sense of, just with a brilliant vision for humanity, for yourself, and for your own heart. It is our intent to make amends now and to live a life in joy, in peace. Namaste.